hope you guys ready, because in this video I will review a super smart forex trading strategy with a 99% win rate. I will show you how to buy and sell based on the strategy rules, but as a cherry on top, I will show you my own live trade that I took using this strategy, so stay tuned because you're not gonna believe it until you see it. So let's begin with the most important thing, and that is to add an indicator to the chart. Open up a tradingview.com platform and click onto indicator section. Start typing UT bot alert, and this will be the one by Quant Nomad. Since you got this now on your chart, navigate to the settings just over here into the input section and change the default values to 2, and the 8-year period will be a value of 6. So the next indicator, which is very important to have, is called STC. Therefore, repeat the same method in order to add it to your chart, and once you have it on your chart, go ahead into the settings and change the length to 80 and fast length to 27. Leave these ones as it is. Now I believe you have the default colors for STC and you have the option of leaving them as they are, or you can follow me along on how to make them more noticeable to you. So in order to do this, go ahead into the settings and basically change the plot color to this darker blue and the other plot color into this vibrant orange one. So now if you would change the colors, you would have these clear lines popping up to your chart. So the STC indicator will be used to provide further confirmation for entering the trade. So now what are the entry rules? Well, for a buy, we would be looking to enter at this candlestick as the label indicates us with a buying opportunity. The STC indicator must be in green and below this blue line. And as soon as we have both confirmations ready, we will position a stop loss just below the previous support or low zone, and we will set up a target that is 1.5 times the risk we are taking. And on the other hand, when it comes to the sell, we will be using totally opposite rules. Clearly, the sell labels needs to be in place in order to indicate that there is a short trading opportunity. The STC should be in red color and that line must be above the orange line. And only then we would place the stop loss just around the level where there was previous high, and we would set the target level at 1.5 times the risk. Now, if you're actually seeking to achieve a high success rate when using this forex trading strategy, make sure that you pay attention to what I'm about to say. This trading strategy has shown the most success in the past when the market was clearly trending either upwards or downwards. For example, take a look over here. The market seems to be consolidating or moving in a relatively narrow range at the moment. First of all, when there is such a movement in a price action, consolidation illustrates the lack of trend, which means that it's basically a war zone between bulls and bears before it eventually breaks into one direction. Trading consolidations should be avoided whenever possible because trying to engage in such an action will result in the creation of misleading entry opportunities. So ideally, you should implement this strategy when the market has a clear and steady trend. Now the most exciting part is that I will do my backtesting on a Trader Edge app. They have got plenty of super useful features that will definitely improve your trading, and one of them is the ability to easily backtest any of your strategies and save them to the strategy library, keeping everything safe and sound. And if you're struggling or not sure how to build a profitable trading strategy, no worries, Trader Edge got your back, because you will also get a full course on how to build a profitable trading strategy that has $270 in value. Or maybe backtesting is the issue for you and you don't know how to do it correctly. Don't worry, because you will get a complete step-by-step backtesting plan worth $100, and they will even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies worth of $100. So in order to take advantage of all the freebies available, simply sign up for the 7-day free trial now. I will leave a link in the description box down below. So let's actually start the backtest and see whether this strategy is a hit or miss. I will set my initial account balance to $1,000 and we will be using 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Well, I'm not gonna lie, but the results are shocking. I was backtesting on USD/JPY on a 5-minute time frame, and out of 100 trades I took, 68 of them were successful, leaving us with a decent 68% win rate. 6 consecutive wins and only 2 consecutive losses, and 290% increase in account balance, as we can see, because the initial was $1,000 and the closing balance was $3,909 in total profit. And these 100 trades were taking until June 29th, meaning that you could potentially grow your account in 2 months' time by following the strategy. However, I do believe that we can improve this strategy because take a look over here. I have analyzed and sent this trade to our VIP members using this strategy, but with a little bit of my own twist. And as you can see, it's performing nicely. And this is not the only successful trade we sent to our trading community on Discord. Therefore, if you have been looking for a reliable, welcoming, and supporting trading community, the trading mode is the place for you to be. Because you can learn with us, ask questions, send your own analysis, and join our live streams where we strive our best to show you that trading Forex is not a rocket science, but it can be rather enjoyable. So I will leave a link in my description box down below. Feel free to join, check our results, and become our valued member. So of course, in order to improve the strategy, let's adjust the rules a bit and add a new indicator. We are going to add an exponential moving average of period 100. This will allow us to filter even more false signals, and I will show you how. So we will be using the same rules as I mentioned before, but now we will be looking to trade with a trend only and following the exponential moving average of 100, meaning that we would only enter a long position if 100 EMA is below the price, and vice versa for a sell. So that would be EMA 100 is above the candlesticks, or the candlesticks are crossing EMA towards the downside. So let's do a quick backtest and see what we get. So after we add the exponential moving average of 100, the results are crazily excellent. We had 85 wins out of 100 trades, giving us a 85% win rate. And now take a look at this. 12 consecutive wins and only 2 consecutive losses. This shows me, and I'm telling you, that the following the trend is the best thing you can do with the strategy. And I was backtesting till March 22nd, so it may take you longer to grow your account, but the strategy will be more solid in terms of performance. And for any reason you haven't seen my last video using paid indicator, make sure to click over here to watch it next.